Ashley here at Covington again. We're getting ready to go to our second step in our tumbling process. These rocks have been tumbling for about a week, and they have gotten to a shape that I really am pleased with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my rocks, wash my barrel, and then we're going to start step 2 of the process. So I'm going to turn my barrel off, and I'm going to dump my rocks into my bucket of water so I can start washing them. And here we are ready to start our second step in tumbling. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my wet rocks out of my clean bucket. I dumped my rocks into an initial bucket, and then I scrubbed them with a little brush to get the grit out, and then I put them into a clean water bucket. Now they're ready to go back in my tumbler. Alright, now that my rocks are inside my tumbler, I am going to use the same ratio of grit to water that I used in my first tumbling step. The only difference is I'm going to use a 120-220 grit. This grit is going to remove all those 60-90 grit scratches and prep us for the next tumbling step. So first I'm going to put in a half a cup of my 120-220 grit, which in my case is 2 scoops because I have a 1/4 cup scoop here. And then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of Old Miser, which is my secret ingredient that gets my slurry going almost immediately in my tumbling cycle. And then I'm going to start with about a half a cup of water. And then we're going to just kind of gauge how much extra water we need to add once I get it tumbling. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to let it roll for just a minute, and then I'm going to see how much water I need to add to get it to the perfect creamy consistency we saw with the last tumbling cycle.